vidIQ is an online education website that offers video tutorials and analytics on YouTube channel growth. The website also has a Google Chrome extension, which allows users to analyze YouTube analytics data. vidIQ has often been compared with the Google Chrome extension TubeBuddy, which has similar features to vidIQ. Canva is a graphic design platform, used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. The app includes templates for users to use. The platform is free to use and offers paid subscriptions like Canva Pro and Canva for Enterprise for additional functionality.
If you are interested in using our voices for non-personal use such as for YouTube videos, e-learning,
Hi. I can read web pages or documents for you. If you are interested in using our voices for non-personal use such as for YouTube videos, e-learning, or other commercial or public purposes, please check out